everyone, Tara Tesher here, the creator and designer of Temptations and Tara at Home. And I thought it would be super fun to share one of my absolute favorite recipes with you, and that's a s'mores poke cake. First of all, love s'mores. Second of all, love poke cakes. My mom used to make them probably in the 70s, and she used to do it because she wanted to add color to her food, and now we just do it because we want to add flavor to our food. So what a great way to combine two of my favorites, a poke cake and of course s'mores. And super easy. I just got a box recipe. In this case, I picked a brownie recipe, which is super easy, and I'm just going to follow the instructions on the box recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in my oil. So I love, again, the fact that with Temptations and with Tara at Home, everything's naturally non-stick. You never have to worry about, again, metal utensils or anything like that. You literally can prep, cook, and serve all in one dish. So I just added actually my oil, a little water, and 2 of my eggs. And then through the beauty of this, I'm going to use my KitchenAid hand mixer, and I am going to mix everything up inside here. And here's what I love, again, as I mentioned, metal utensil safe. So what's easier than a box recipe, right? I think we all have one that we absolutely love. And as I mentioned before, you're just gonna go ahead and follow the directions on there. So couldn't be easier. Prep time literally on this is like 15 minutes, and then you're just gonna go ahead and bake it accordingly. And then we're gonna let the fun begin, let me tell you. All right, so we basically have it mixed enough to now get it into the oven. So let me take these, and so I don't drip chocolate all over the place, I'm gonna give it one of these and put it back here, okay? And now, let me transfer this, and through the magic of this video, I'm gonna come forward with what I already have cooked in my brownie mix. Now I'm gonna actually make the holes. I thought it would be easy to grab a tool, in this case Tara at Home, and actually poke right in. I'll show you in just a moment. You wanna basically poke about 3 holes. It depends on the width of what you're cooking here. This is in our basket weave 3-quart oval. So again, I love baking in ovals also because it's so easy. So look at how perfect using a tool like that is when you wanna get all of your holes right there. Now I'm gonna pop on over to the microwave and grab, of course, what I already used, which is my fluff. And here's what I love about this. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop all of it out. It's going to fill in the holes. So no rules with a poke cake. You're just gonna go ahead and get it all nice and full. Nothing's gonna stick to the sides, which I love. So let me slather all of this. Then we're gonna just keep on getting better and better because we're gonna create and add the s'mores. So look at this, yummy. And yes, you can lick the spoon. Again, no rules, feel free. All right, so now that I have all of that done, let's see, what do we wanna do next? How about we add our graham crackers? Because what's a s'more without a graham cracker? So I actually measured them out here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and crumble these, and then you guys, you're gonna tuck this under the broiler, and I'm telling you, heaven. Take my mini marshmallows. I'm gonna actually top it with a bunch, and then I'm gonna save a little bit, and I'll show you why. And then I actually have my hot sauce here, and a little chocolate sauce that I'm gonna actually go ahead. I microwaved it just, just to get it a nice consistency. I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle it on top, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some more mini marshmallows. I'm gonna go ahead and finish drizzling all of that. And then once you're done with this, and this is why I love poke cakes, they're so easy, so delicious, I'm gonna go ahead and tuck that under the broiler. Look at how beautiful that is. Super easy, box recipe, lots of shortcuts. And again, making a dessert your favorite. And then look at how gorgeous this is when you're finished. Tuck it under the broiler, you get all of that. It's like a campfire, right? You have all of that gorgeous marshmallow. I know what I'm gonna be doing for the next 15 minutes, so I'm gonna be eating this. If you're interested in the recipe, feel free to go over to temptationsbytara.blog, TEMP-TATIONS by Tara.blog, and the full recipe will be there. And feel free to take a peek over there. We have a newsletter. We have tons of recipes, offers that we're always sharing. And again, if you loved everything that you saw here, come check us out because I gotta tell you, this is delicious. Bye.